brother. Go get your brother. Uh-oh. Here comes Samuel. He's going to get you. Who's going to go down the slip and slide first? Let me see somebody do it. Woohoo! Move the water squirter. Ready? Here he comes. Go ahead, get her. Make her a big splash. What happened? Hey! Stop it! No, don't get me. I don't need to cool off. Get that girl! Get that girl! Oh well.